So I have this problem. I remeshed this subtool to clean it up, but I lost some of the sharp corners I had before. As you can see, these corners very sharp, but over here they turned into wavy lines after remeshing. Now the more experienced among you will know that there's a setting in ZBrush called AccuCurve, and if you turn that on with your move brush, you can get your sharp corners back. But because I'm doing this without aligning my camera perfectly to this plane, I'm introducing a lot of extra curvature here and destroying the flat surface I had before. The solution is simple. Align your camera first and then do the same thing. And now it doesn't matter how much I use the move tool or the move brush with AccuCurve, I introduced no extra curvature to the surface and it remains perfectly flat. But let me demonstrate how I actually aligned my view to this plane so easily. So the functionality we're looking for now resides in the ZModeler brush, so just select it. I have it right here in my UI, but we're going to create a clone or a duplicate. So go to Brush, Clone, and now we can set the settings of this clone to be completely different to the base ZModeler brush. So first off, I'm going to hover over a point, spacebar, do nothing. Hover over an edge, spacebar, do nothing. But when I hover over a face, spacebar, set camera perpendicular. So now I don't have to be picky about accidentally clicking on an edge. I can just click wherever and it's going to align the camera to that face. Do the same thing over here. This back facing? I think I got the back facing. But for example, let's do this over here. Maybe you'll have to zoom in a little bit. But let's do this. Let's go back to our move brush with AccuCurve turned on, and of course we'll still have to finesse this a little bit. But our main concern, which was introducing unwanted curvature, is no longer a problem, as you can see. So let's just do this one more time over here. Back to AccuCurve and do something like this. And I misaligned my camera, but you can just keep using that brush as much as you want. Of course, you probably want to give this a more descriptive name, align camera. You can do this here from your brush settings, save as, and make sure you save it in your ZBrush startup folder so that whenever you start ZBrush, it will still be there. And of course, what I would recommend is maybe putting it in your UI. You do that by going to Preferences, Enable Customize, finding that brush you just made over here, Control Alt, and then dragging it into place.